Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back our channel is Bangla Health. Welcome back our new video. Last 6 months, I could not upload my video because I was busy, so I could not upload our video. So I'm really sorry for this reason. Today I will present in English because foreigners cannot understand Bangla, so I will present in English because we know English is the international language. So today I will present in English. Today I am telling about kinemaster. We know kinemaster is the editing software, video editing software. So today I'm telling how we can make a video from kinemaster, how we can edit from kinemaster. So I'm going to our video. Let's start. First, we have to go kinemaster and click kinemaster, and then click empty project, and then click media browser. We have to do click video file because and click a video, and then again click media browser because we have to do add to video. How we can add to video? So I'm telling to video edit. Let's see. Okay, our topics finished. Now I am telling about our next topics. I'm going to another topics. Now I'm telling our next topics is audio function. How we can add audio file. Now I'm telling. Click first. You have to click audio file and then select audio. Now check. I have a main audio file. So now I select. Okay, I think it will be better. And then again, how we can add two audio file. Now I am telling how we can add another audio. Now check. Okay, I think it should be better. So click for plus option and then right. Okay, now first we have to do mute our original sound. First click video file and then click sound option and then 100 to 0. Okay, because we have to do mute our original sound, and then right click and then we have to go our second layer is first layer and second layer. Click first layer, second layer, and then same, and this second layer same. Click sound option and then 200 and 150. We have to do 0% because we have to do 0. Okay, right, now everything is okay. Let's see. Okay, our topics finished. I'm going to our next topics. So I'm telling about how you can write in video. First go to layer and then click text, and for example YouTube. Bangla health. Click OK, and then you have to do chance font. Click it and then bold and right click. Okay, and if I want to do in animation, click in animation and then page, pop, slide right, slide left. I think slide left would be better, so I click slide left. Okay, right, and then color change. If we are change our color, okay, and then world animation, none, rotate, rotate, and then okay, rotate, and okay, everything is okay. If I want to delete this layer text, click delete option. I want delete, so now I'm telling about our next topics. I'm going to our next topics. Now I'm telling how we can cut our video. If I want to cut our video, okay, I want to cut our video here. Click video file and then click cut, and then if I want to cut our left side, click left, and then if I want to cut our video in right side, click right, and then I want to click spell. Okay, our next topics, our topic is finished. Two layer. Okay, now I'm going to our next topics. Now let's see how we can cut audio file. Same, click audio file and then cut. If I want to cut left, click left. If I want to cut right, click right. Okay, and okay, our topic is finished, and then I am telling about our next topics. Our next topic is how we can add in video in image, how we can add image in our video. Click image option and then select our image picture. Okay, zoom, animation, page, pop. I think pop will be better, and then color adjustment, and then okay. Now I'm telling about our next topics. Our topic is finished. I'm going to our next topics. Click video file and then go to color adjustment. We have to do edit our video, color adjustment and brightness, contrast, brightness. If I do low, high, low, contrast. Wow, what a beautiful. Wow. Okay, our topic is finished. Now I'm telling about next topics. Click if I want to add our voice in our video, click voice option and then click start button. Each voice will be open. Okay, click now I'm telling our next topics. Click video file and then check if I want to our video low, slow. Click speed control. If if I want to change our video slow speed, I want slow some. Okay, let's see. Okay, rotate same. Okay, color filter, many color filter has in this function, many color filter has in here, none. And then color adjustment, volume, audio filter, volume, high, low, high, medium. Okay, if I want to change our original audio file, 0, audio file 100 115, 0, 100 will be better. And then okay, no more function. Okay, now I'm telling how you can save our video. Click this option and then click here and then click share option and click here save video to gallery, full HD. If I want video will be full HD, click full HD, and high definition, medium quality. I want full HD, so click full HD. Okay, video be saved. Now check about it remaining, about 18 and 27 remaining. Okay, cancel. Okay, no more today. Take care, bye bye. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share this video. Okay, see you on next video. Okay, bye bye.